Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the new Dualsenses Bond Pro 60-second treatment. It's a fortifying treatment that protects the hair fibers up to 100% in just 60 seconds. It's infused with the strengthening Inter-Amino-Bond-Builder, the microPROtec complex that enhances the distribution and penetration of the active and essential ingredients to the hair. It helps prevent breakage and split ends, and seals the cuticle for smoothness, combability, and protection without weighing the hair down. Work through damp or towel-dried hair, leave on for 60 seconds, rinse thoroughly for a stronger hair look and feel from roots to ends. If you want to learn more about our Dualsenses products, please check out our other videos.